Scott here. I've got a very short video for you on how to replace the rain and light sensor on your W204 C Class. If this warning comes up on your dash, it means your light and rain sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. So the light and rain sensor sits underneath this plastic cover here. Just use a trim tool to lever it off. Very simple. That's the sensor there. There's a little plug on the back. Just push the little tag in and you can unplug it. And then these spring clips on the side, just push on the corner there and you can lever the spring clip out with a little hook tool. Like that. That's one side. And there's the other side. That's as simple as that to get it out. So that's the old failed light sensor, and just note the part number there, A240-820-8185. Now the sensor has been upgraded with a new part number, and that's it there. So it's A204-901-7801. I'll put this in the description below. So try to get the updated part number if you can. So here's the replacement sensor. It's one side on. So that just clicks back into place, it's very easy. And now I can just put the plug in. And now put the cover back on. It just snaps into place. It's as simple as that. I'll just try it out. I'll drive into the dark of the garage and the lights should come on automatically. Yep, there you go. And there's no error message. And if I go back out into the light, the light should go off soon. Yep, that just went off, so all's fixed. So I hope you find that helpful. Thanks for watching.